This walkthrough will describe how to send and receive an SMS on a Sierra Wireless HL8548. There are two windows here. The one on the left is for the HL8548, and the one on the right is another modem which is being used to send and receive SMS from and to the HL8548. Type AT and check the firmware version. When it returns OK, this confirms that this is an HL8. Type ATI3 in the second window. When it returns OK, it's confirmed that the module is WP7702. You can also confirm that WP7702 is registered by typing AT plus CREG ? When it returns OK, you will know that it's registered roaming. Though it's not necessary, you can type AT plus CG reg ? to confirm that it's packet switch attached. When you type AT plus CMGF equals 1 and it returns OK, it's confirmed that it is set for text mode. You can have PU mode, which is 0, or text mode, which is 1. For this walkthrough, we are using text mode. Now go to the HL8548 terminal window and confirm it has the same settings as the WP7702. First, type AT plus CREG ? And when it returns OK, it confirms it is registered roaming. Then you can type AT plus CG reg ? And when it returns OK, you can see that it is registered roaming on a packet-switched connection. Type AT plus COPS ? to confirm which network supplier your device is registered to. In this case, it is the EE network in the UK. When you type AT plus COPS ? in the second window and it returns OK, you will see that it is roaming with a Sierra Wireless SIM. On the HL8548, there are some checks that you need to do to confirm that the unit is ready to receive or send SMS. You should always check for the service center address as well. Remember, as mentioned previously, the device is in text mode. Type AT plus CMGF equals 1 to set text mode. Now let's check for service center address. For this, type AT plus CSCA ? on the left window, which returns OK. Type the same command in the right window, which will also return OK. Normally you don't need to change this. It is set by default for the SIM that you are using. Another thing to check is AT plus CNMI ? which should return OK. In the second screen, type AT plus CNMI ? which returns OK. CNMI is an AT command which determines what happens to the SMS when it's received, whether it's displayed and acknowledged in the terminal that you are looking at now, or if it's just stored without any reference to the terminal. These two units have been used previously. They have different settings, and that's fine for the tests that we're going to undertake. You can use the WP7702 to send an SMS to the HL8548. Type AT plus CMGS equals the phone number in quotes. Now you type the message that you want to send. After you have written the message, terminate the string with Ctrl-Z. When it sends the message, CMGS is displayed, which lets you know that this is the fourth SMS sent from WP7702. HL8548 should receive that message. It gets confirmed when the left window displays CMTI and 5. On the left window, which is the HL8548, type AT plus CPMS ? to check the SIM storage. Now type AT plus CMGL equals all, which is the command for listing all stored SMS. You will see that all the messages sent from WP7702 have been received by the HL8548 and are stored in SIM memory. You can read them individually using the plus CMGR command, or you can list them with CMGL, which in this instance is CMGL list all. Now type AT plus CMGR equals 5, where 5 equates to slot 5 in the SMS SIM storage location. This is what you see in the terminal window. Use the slot number that is appropriate for your test, as this will vary from the example here. If you want to send an SMS from HL8548 to WP7702, then follow the same process that you did on the WP side. Now type AT plus CMGS. Then copy the number from slot 5 and paste it with the command. As you can see, there's a mistake because the command has no quotes, so this execution will fail, and it will show an error. Avoid this mistake. Type the command correctly. It should be AT plus CMGS equals followed by a quotation mark, then the number to be pasted, and then quotation mark again, and then return. Type the message, which is hello, from HL8548 to WP7702. Then use the command Ctrl-Z. You will see the fourth SMS that's been sent from HL8548 to WP7702. In the WP window, you will see CMTI and 1. Then type AT plus CPMS question mark. Then type AT plus CMGR equals 1. It returns OK. This example was sending and receiving SMS between two modems. It could also be a way to read received messages between your mobile phone and a modem. This is the end of the walkthrough. Now you know how to send SMS on HL8548.